Today, we'll be studying conditional and biconditional statements in detail. First, let's recall conditional and biconditional statements. The symbolic form of implication is, if P, then Q, also read as P implies Q. In set theory, it is equivalent to subset. The symbolic form of double implication is, P if and only if Q, also read as, P is necessary and sufficient for Q, Q is necessary and sufficient for P, P implies Q and Q implies P, P implies and is implied by Q. In set theory, it is equivalent to the equality of two sets. In the truth table of implication, remember that it is false only if the first statement is true and the second statement is false, otherwise true. And the truth table of double implication is similar to that of multiplication rule if we consider T as plus and F as minus. However, this rule is only a help for learning purpose. Let's begin with exercise 1.4. Write the following statements in symbolic form. If triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular. Answer. Let P be, the triangle is equilateral, Q, be, it is equiangular. The symbolic form is, P implies Q. It is not true that I is a real number. Answer. Let P be, I is a real number, the symbolic form is, not P. Even though it is not cloudy, it is still raining. Answer. Let P be, it is cloudy. Q, be, it is still raining. The symbolic form is, not P, and Q. Milk is white if and only if the sky is not blue. Answer. Let P be, milk is white. Q, be, sky is blue. The symbolic form is, P if and only if not Q. Stock prices are high if and only if stocks are raising. Answer. Let P be, stock prices are high. Q, be, stocks are rising. The symbolic form is, P if and only if Q. If Qutub Minar is in Delhi, then Taj Mahal is in Agra. Answer. Let P be, Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Q, be, Taj Mahal is in Agra. The symbolic form is, P implies Q. Find the truth value of each of the following statements. It is not true that 3 minus 7i is a real number. Answer. Let P be, 3 minus 7i is a real number. The symbolic form is, not P. The truth value of P is F. Thus, the truth value of not P is negation F, which is equivalent to T. If a joint venture is a temporary partnership, then discount on purchase is credited to the supplier. Answer. Let P be, joint venture is a temporary partnership. Q, be, discount on purchase is credited to the supplier. The symbolic form is, P implies Q. The truth values of P and Q are T and F, respectively. Thus, the truth value of P implies Q is T implies F, which is equivalent to F. Every accountant is free to apply his own accounting rules if and only if machine is an asset. Answer. Let P be, every accountant is free to apply his own accounting rules. Q, be, machine is an asset. The symbolic form is, P implies Q. The truth values of P and Q are F and T, respectively. Thus, the truth value of P implied Q is F implies T is equivalent to F. Neither 27 is a prime number nor divisible by 4. Answer. Let P be, 27 is a prime number. Q, be, 27 is divisible by 4. The symbolic form is, not P and not Q. The truth values of both P and Q are F. Thus, the truth value of not P and not Q is negation F and negation F, which is equivalent to T and T equivalent to T. 3 is a prime number and an odd number. Answer. Let P be, 3 is a prime number. Q, be, 3 is an odd number. The symbolic form is P and Q. The truth values of both P and Q are T. Thus, the truth value of P and Q is T and T, equivalent to T. If P and Q are true and R and S are false, find the truth value of each of the compound statements. P and Q and R. Answer: T and F is equivalent to T and F, equivalent to F. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is false. P implies Q or R and S. Answer: T implies T or F and F. This is equivalent to T or F, equivalent to T. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is true. Negation of not P or S and not Q and R. Answer: negation of negation T or F and negation T and F, which is equivalent to the negation of F or F and F and F. This is equivalent to the negation of F and F, which is equivalent to negation F, which equals to T. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is true. P implies Q if and only if negation of P or Q. Answer: T implies T if and only if negation of T or T, which is equivalent to T if and only if negation T. This is equivalent to T if and only if F, equivalent to F. Hence, the truth value of the statement is false. P or S implies R or negation of P implies Q or S. Answer: T or F implies F or negation of T implies T or F, which is equivalent to T implies F or negation of T or F, which is equivalent to F or negation of F or F, equivalent to F or negation F, equivalent to F or T, equivalent to T. Hence, the truth value of the statement is true. Negation of P or R and S and negation of R and negation S and Q, which is equivalent to negation of T or F and negation of F and negation F and T. This is equivalent to negation of T or F and negation of F and T and T. This is equivalent to negation T and negation of F and T, which is equivalent to F and negation F, equivalent to F and T. This is equivalent to F. Hence, the truth value of the statement is false. Assuming that the following statements are true: P. Sunday is holiday. Q. Ram does not study on holiday. Find the truth values of the following statements. Sunday is holiday or Ram studies on holiday. Answer: the symbolic form of the statement is not P or not Q. Not T or not T, equivalent to F or F, which is equivalent to F. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is false. If Sunday is not holiday, then Ram studies on holiday. Answer: the symbolic form of the statement is not P implies not Q. Not T implies not T, equivalent to F implies F, which is equivalent to T. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is true. Sunday is a holiday and Ram studies on holiday. Answer: the symbolic form of the statement is P and not Q. T and not T, equivalent to T and F, equivalent to F. Hence, the truth value of the given statement is false. If P is he swims, Q is water is warm. Give the verbal statement for the following symbolic statements. P, if and only if, not Q. Answer: he swims if and only if water is not warm. Negation of P or Q. Answer: it is not true that he swims or water is warm. Q implies P. Answer: if water is warm, then he swims. Q and not P. Answer: Water is warm and he does not swim. It's a wrap up for today. Thank you.